The Hyundai i22 from 2012 to 2020 typically features an electrically actuated fuel filler door for secure and convenient access to the fuel tank. This means the door is controlled by an electric solenoid that unlocks when activated, providing a modern and reliable way to access the fuel tank. Here's what the fuel filler door looks like on the Hyundai i22. First, park the vehicle in a safe location away from traffic and ignition sources. Second, make sure the vehicle is unlocked using your key or key fob. Third, locate the fuel door release button inside the vehicle, typically near the dashboard or driver's door panel. It's often marked with a fuel pump icon. Once located, press the button to unlock the fuel filler door, allowing you to access the fuel cap and refuel. The fuel door release button is usually found on the driver's side, either on the door panel or on the dashboard near the gear shifter. The button is typically marked with a fuel pump icon. Press this button to release the fuel filler door latch. After pressing the release button, the fuel filler door should pop open slightly. If it doesn't, gently press and release the door. Then manually swing the door open to access the fuel cap. Once the fuel filler door is open, locate the fuel cap inside the compartment. To remove the cap, grasp it firmly and turn it counterclockwise until it comes loose. When refueling is complete, screw the cap back on clockwise until you hear a distinct clicking sound, indicating it's securely fastened. Some Hyundai i20 models include a tether attached to the cap and fuel door to prevent accidental loss of the cap. If the fuel door release button doesn't work, the solenoid actuator may be faulty or there may be an electrical issue. Common causes include a faulty solenoid actuator or electrical problems. Check the car's fuses first. Also, inspect the solenoid connections. Corrosion is a common culprit, especially in humid climates. Look for corroded wiring or connectors. When the electrical fuel door release fails, you can use a manual override to access the fuel filler door. This involves reaching a release latch from inside the vehicle. One common location for the manual release is in the trunk. Look behind a panel or near the latch mechanism to find the override. Alternatively, the manual release may be under the rear seat. Lift or fold the seat to access the latch mechanism. Once you locate the latch, pull or rotate it as shown in the mechanism diagram to release the fuel door. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact location and procedure specific to your Hyundai i22 model year. Preventive maintenance can help avoid fuel door problems on your Hyundai i22. First, regularly check the fuel door release button and solenoid. Press the button to ensure it unlocks the door smoothly. Inspect electrical connections for corrosion or loose wires that could cause failure. Second, lubricate the fuel door hinge and latch mechanism annually. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the hinge to prevent rust and ensure smooth opening. The latch mechanism should also be cleaned and lubricated to avoid sticking. Finally, address any electrical issues promptly. If the button doesn't work or you notice warning lights, check fuses and wiring. Ignoring problems can lead to complete failure or safety hazards. As electric vehicles become more common, traditional fuel systems like those in the i22 are gradually being phased out. However, for current i22 owners, understanding how to operate and maintain the fuel filler door ensures reliable vehicle performance. If you encounter ongoing problems with the fuel door mechanism, always consult a certified mechanic to avoid safety risks and ensure proper repairs.